starting off with number 10. Of course, my first step, all the time, always, is to make my handy dandy box. And who can help me set this box up? Avery?
So on the side of the box, you put 50 plus 2, and on the top of it, you put 90 plus 6.
And remember, it doesn't matter which one you do on top or bottom. You're going to get the right answer as long as you have 50 and 2 on one side and 90 and 6 on one side. Let me show you guys how I double check this. When I set up my box, I look at each equation. 90 times 50. So I'm going to start off my big numbers right here. 90 times 2. Well, I already have 90 times 50, so that means I need to put 2 in this box because I have to do 90 times 2 as well. 6 times 50. There's already a 90 here. Go down here. 6. And then I know everything is right then if I look at the last equation and it's already lined up. Okay? What is 9 times 5? Trevor?
I just have a question on that one.
Okay, what's your question?
Is the small one always gonna go on the top one?
You mean the smaller of the two numbers?
Like 90 times 50 you're gonna put up there, and then 90 times to the bottom. Are you always gonna put the 2 on the top?
So, whole number wise, 96 and 52, these can be interchanged. Okay, but yes, it will be big number plus small number because remember we're putting it in expanded form. Okay? So, guys, just go ahead and just shout it out.
45.
How many zeros do I drag down?
2.
What's 9 times 2?
18.
How many zeros?
1.
6 times 5?
30.
Drag down 1 0, and 6 times 2.
12.
Okay, have I lost anyone here yet? Nope? Okay. Now we're just going to add them all together. So that 90 times 50, we got 4,500. That 90 times 2, we got 180. That 6 times 50, we got 300. And the 6 times 2, we got 12. Okay, you can put an arrow or whatever you would like. Now I'm going to add all these together. So we've got 2, 8 plus 1 is 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then that. Give me a big thumbs up if you got this. Oh my gosh, so many more than yesterday. I love that. Okay, now I'm going to double check my answer is 4,992. And let's make sure, where did my paper go?
On the back.
It's right here. Oh, no, not this one. I have a different one. Okay, so I'm going to... Oh, oops. I know, I'm crazy. Let me go ahead and get this first paper out so we can go ahead and triple check our answer. Oh, here it is. Okay, 4,992. Is that on our answer key?
Yeah.
Where is it, Harper?
It's the fourth one on the top.
Awesome. And what's our equation, Harper?
92 times 56.
So we're actually going to have 96 times 52, which is very close. But when I looked at this, I saw it is 90 plus 6, so I know that's 96, and 50 times 2 is 52. Okay, awesome, guys. Let's do number 11. Set up my handy-dandy box. First equation, I have 70 times 40. We're going to set it up right here. Now, I need to do 70 times 1. So I already, in my row of 70, I have 70 times 40, and I have one more box, so I can put that 1 right there. Third equation, 6 times 40. In my row of 40, I already have 40 times 70, but I do have an open spot for that 6. Now I'm going to double check that I lined up everything right, making sure I have 6 times 1, and I do. So 7 times 4, guys.
28.
How many zeros?
2.
70 times 1 we know is 70. What's 6 times 4, guys?
24.
How many zeros?
1.
And 6 times 1 is 6. So let's go ahead and look at what we got. 70 times 40, we got 2,800. 70 times 1, we got 70. 6 times 40, we got 240. And 6 times 1, we got 6. So now I'm going to line it up again so I can add it easier. 2,800 plus 240 plus 70 plus 6. Okay, give me a big thumbs up if this is what you got. 3,116. Awesome, you guys are doing so great. And is this justified on my answer key?
Yes.
Right here, right? So that is number 11. And what is the equation? Somebody tell me, Addie.
76 times 41.
You guys are rock stars. 76 times 41, amazing. Okay, let's do the last problem on here, guys. So exciting. Let's go ahead and set up our box. Okay, so like I said, I line it up based on my equations. I have 50 times 90. Now I also have 50 times 5, so I'm going to put that right there so I can multiply them together. Third equation, I have 5 times 90. So in my row of 90, I already have one filled with 50, so I can put the 5 right here. And then I triple check to make sure I lined up everything right. The last equation should already be there, which is 5 times 5. Okay? So what's 5 times 9, guys?
45.
How many zeros?
2.
Ooh, I heard some different answers there. Why do we have 2 zeros, guys? Why do we? Kaden?
Because if we have 1, it will be 450, but if there's 2, 50 and 90.
Yes, exactly. So what I do when I need to find out, first I cover up these 2 zeros. 5 times 9 is 45. Then I cover up the non-zeros. I have 2 zeros, so I just drag those 2 down, okay? 5 times 5, guys.
25.
1 0. 5 times 9.
45.
And how many zeros on this one?
1.
Awesome. And 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so let's go ahead and line this up. 4,500 plus 250 plus 450 plus 25. Lots of 5s in this one. So we've got 5 and then 12. Give me a big thumbs up if you got 5,225. Oh my gosh, you guys are amazing. And look at that. That matches up right with our last and our answer key. And who wants to end this packet with our equation, Lily?
Equation is 95 times
Awesome. So your answer key should look like this. We did it, guys. Give yourself a pat on the back. And do we have any last questions? Addie?
I don't have
5 and 6?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So if you guys just weren't there, then we can go ahead in our free time. I'll give you the packet and you can check your answers on that, okay? Any other questions?